my name is Jody, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Throughout my journey, I've met some pretty interesting people, done crazy things, had heartbreaks, met the love of my life, laughed until I've cried, traveled to over 64 countries, learned some pretty hard lessons. I've loved hard, lost, won, and then some. I'm a daughter, mother, wife, sister, best friend, costume designer, preschool teacher, senior food awards judge, Observer Style Woman of the Year awardee, secretary, television host, socialite, makeup artist, sales rep, model, and now YouTuber. Join me as I talk about everything from motherhood to makeup, style, lifestyle, and just about everything in between. Come along with me as I show you a glimpse into my crazy, hectic life. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jody. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a little renovation in my powder room, which is right over here on the ground floor. Alright, so when guests come over, this is the bathroom that they will use. And some cool features about my powder room is it has a toilet. No, I'll show you. Alright, so in here we have a white marble by Active. And then we also have a black granite by Active as well. Now, if you notice, I just kind of played off of the contrasting colors. One of the really neat things about this sink is that it dries very, very quickly. So you don't have so much
that's pretty good.
And the build up, it will dry very quickly. So the black sink with the black granite on top of the white marble just really kind of plays up on the whole contrast going on in here. I have a mirror that reaches from the top of the faucet all the way to the roof. And I just think that that kind of has like a very grand look. At the side, I have a stainless steel mosaic. Now, stainless steel is antibacterial, and I just kind of like how it looks with the marble and the contrast of the black and the white here. It kind of adds like a space age theme, kind of. Now, what we're going to be doing in the powder room today is we're going to be switching out that light fixture. Now, originally, I was kind of in a hurry. They said, pick your light fixture, pick your light fixture. And I picked this one really quickly, and I didn't put too much thought into it, nor did I really shop around, and I'm just not happy with it. One of the things that really annoys me is that it emits a blue light. Meanwhile, the running light behind the mirror emits a warm white light. So I'm going to switch that out today with one of the lighting fixtures that I got at Active. Now, in case you didn't know, Active has indoor, outdoor, recessed, solar, lamps, ceiling fans. So I really should have checked there first, and then I'd be saving myself time today. I have this cute little shelf here. This is also stainless steel, and one part has a glass inlay, and the other here holds my Henriquez towel. So when you come to my powder room, you know that you're in the Henriquez house. So this is a picture of Shizzle. This was our family dog, and he died, I think it's earlier this year. So I just have Shizzle in here, and he'll watch you while you poo. And then I have just a little cactus. I'm not so good with plants, but I've managed to keep this one alive. And I put it in the powder room because, you know, when you poo, flowers are blue. Flowers are blue. Alright, just to keep my guests...
Get your phone out of my face.
Just to keep my guests nice and comfortable, I have some, well, this is actually for the kids, the automatic soap dispenser. Because when the kids come in here, they pump and pump and pump and pump and mess up the place with soap. It's like a slip and slide in here. So I have an automatic soap dispenser. But this was the original soap dispenser for the bathroom. But the kids can't reach back here, and they were just pumping out soap anyway. If you don't want to use a towel because some people think it's a little unsanitary, that's fine. I have some paper napkins here that you can use to dry your hands, and you just throw them away. The toilet. Alright, so I just have my little caddy here, a little basket. So what this has in my courtesy basket is I want you to feel comfortable. You can also turn on the fan in here just to get the smell out, or also to, you know, create some noise so, you know, people outside don't know what's going on in here.
You naughty, naughty. You teasing me, you naughty, naughty.
You know, so you can add a little coconut air freshener to the room. You have the Lysol, and of course the poopery, because before you cook, you poopery, and then the whole bathroom will stick. I just wanted to feel comfortable. I know it's comfortable though. Over here, I also brought the stainless steel mosaic to the back of this inlay alcove here, and then it's set back with the same marble that was by the sink. So everything kind of ties together. Of course, toilet paper holder. And then I have just a toilet seat here for Levi. He actually doesn't use it anymore, so I'm saving it for Remy. Put that cool little 3M hook. So when he's finished, he can just put it back, or you can leave it there because just lots of cousins. And then waste paper basket. Because it's electricity, I know I love a DIY, but I'm actually going to be calling an electrician to help me. Just simply because I don't want it dying in the powder room. Alright guys, waiting on the electrician, and let's change out the lights, and then you can see the cool light fixture that I got from Active. Can I take down this one? But I must screw the screwdriver. Phillips. This is so long, man. This is where I exit. How many people does it take to change a light bulb?
3.
Hey, that's pretty good.
One woman. I could have done this on my own.
Why the fuck you lying?
What you doing?
How come your electrical tape is red? Where do you buy that? I only get black. You have tape? Some of the lights have so much different pieces inside of it, like that little box, and then you have like 5 or 6 different wires, and this one only has 2. What's it really about? That's a blue one? Or a black one? The 2 box is very neat. I think you're the neatest 2 box I've ever seen. Not even my 2 boxes that neat, and I'm crazy. You want me to run the YouTube drywall screws?
Yeah.
Which 2 inch?
Yeah.
2 inch? Alright. Save the day. So how come that has 3 things and then this has 2? Do you think I could have watched a YouTube video and done this myself? Alright, so now the base is in. The base is what sits on the roof, and it's anchored into a rivet or something in the roof. And then on top of the base, that's where you're going to screw in the light fixture, and you can get that seamless, no hole look because you're just using those invisible screws to screw the base into a plate on the roof. Mosquito. I like that touch. Very important. Oh. So then this is great because I can choose like my warm white light which I wanted, or if I wanted like a pink light or like a different color bulb, I can use that in here too. Alright, that looks so much better. I need to find a bulb now. So I did this all by myself.
Why you always lying?
Thank you so much. Let me go on the bubble.
Back to active.
Alright everyone, so my new fixture from Active is in, and it now emits a warm white light which goes so well with the warm white light from behind the mirror. I'm really happy. The guys were so professional, and let me tell you, that toolkit, I'm not gonna lie, is the neatest toolkit. I really appreciate that. Anyway, that's it. That's my little powder room upgrade.